Good day, and welcome to the Light of the Visually Impaired channel, or the LVI. This channel is dedicated to provide helpful insights, guide the sighted individuals to understand the lived experience of the visually impaired individuals, acknowledging their both challenges and strengths to our community.
Mission statement.
Our mission is simple: to raise awareness and correct the misconceptions about the visually impaired community. Because in the end, it is not just about your disability. It's about the ability and the unique skill of each person can bring to the society.
Introduction to today's topic.
At ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin ng simpleng bagay, ngunit may malaking epekto sa ating buhay. Ang komunikasyon sa pagitan ng mga taong may visual impairment at taong mga nakakakita.
Everyday experience.
Have you ever smelled to someone, but they did not smell it back? How it did not see you? Para sa maraming mga visually impaired, ito ay bahagi ng araw-araw nilang karanasan.
What is communication?
Ang komunikasyon ay mga proseso ng pagpapalitan ng impormasyon at damdamin, gamit ang salita, pagsulat, kilos ng katawan, at facial expressions. At gayon din ang mga iba't ibang uri ng digital tools. Pero, para sa mga taong may visual impairment, non-verbal cues ay mahirap makita, na kung minsan nagsasanhi ito ng di pagkakaintindihan.
What we can do?
The good news, we can bridge this gap with awareness and action.
Practical tip to communication effective.
At ito ang 7 simple na efektibo para mapabuti ang komunikasyon sa pagitan ng mga taong nakakakita at mga visual impaired. Introduce yourself clearly.
Hi Ira, si Ash to. Nasa bandang harap mo ako.
Offer help but ask first.
Ira, pwede ba kitang ikay pupunta sa upuan mo?
Ask about preference.
Gusto mo bang basahin ko yung aklat? O gusto mong itype ko na lang to?
Speak naturally and respectful.
Ira, would you like help with that?
Respect their independence.
Ira, would you like assistance?
No, I can't
Oh.
know how to offer assistance properly.
Ira, gusto mo bang hawakan yung braso ko para mas mabilis tayong makapaglakad?
Be patient and understanding.
Ira, diretso ka lang. Tapos, kaliwa dun sa second crosswalk.
By applying the simple but powerful tips, we can build more inclusive and respectful society. Simula sa paggawa ng mga maliit na adjustments, makakagawa tayo ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay ng iba. Let's make everyone be heard, supported, and valued. Thank you to joining us today. And if you are learned something today, please like, comment, and share this video. Bye-bye! See you soon until to the next video!